Hello everyone, I am Dr. Gajanan Mudolkar, faculty in School of Commerce and Management Science, Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded, Maharashtra. This is the description of assignment given by MMTTC, Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, in refresher course on Artificial Intelligence and ICT for higher education. Now here in this presentation we are going to see what are the different AI tools that assist in higher education. Let us see one by one. When faculty is going to present something on PPT or something on presentation slides, then there are different apps that may assist in preparing presentations and slides. So let us revolutionize our educational delivery through different AI tools. First is Deep Dive AI tool. In Deep Dive, Gamma AI, it is the AI tool that represents a paradigm shift in presentation creation. Unlike traditional tools where you start with templates, field, content, Gamma allows educator to describe their lesson topic, audience and objectives in natural language. It is that AI that generates comprehensive outline structures based on pedagogical best practices. It creates detailed content with appropriate depth for the target audience. It selects relevant visual elements and data visualization. It applies consistent design principles throughout. It suggests interactive elements like polls or discussion prompts. Now, what is its pedagogical impact? This AI tool transforms presentation creation from a design heavy technical task to a content focused intellectual exercise. An economics professor could explain Keynesian economics to undergraduate business student with real world examples and receives a complete professionally designed 20-slide presentation in a minute. The next is to present smart templates, Beautiful.ai. This is an AI tool that operates on smart templates that enforce design rules automatically. When you add content, the AI dynamically adjusts layout to maintain visual hierarchy. It resizes and crops images to fit design standards, color coordinate elements based on your brand or theme, animates transition in pedagogical effective sequence, research-based effects. Studies showed well-designed slides improve information retention up to 40 to 50%. So this beautiful AI tool encodes principle of cognitive load theory, ensuring slides don't overwhelm students' working memory. The next is Tome App. Tome App is specialization in narrative-driven presentation. It structures content as a compelling and story. It creates a story-based creation. It generates contemporary visuals for each narrative beat. It creates interactive elements that reveal information progressively. Again, this Tome app optimizes for different delivery modes, that is in person, as hybrid mode, or in asynchronous way. Classroom application. Its classroom application, particularly, it is valuable for case. Next is to create a video and to edit video, the different AI tools are available. Now that AI video revolution in education is supported with different apps. One of the best app is Synthesia. This Synthesia AI tool eliminates traditional barriers to educational video production. Because here no production equipment needed, educators don't need cameras, microphones or lighting. It is having multilingual capacity. It creates the same video in multiple languages with AI generated voices. So that's why it is possible that you may create your video in English language and that can be transformed into different regional languages like Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam or any other regional languages. This Synthesia tool has a consistency across modules. The same virtual instructor appears throughout a course. The updates are very easy. So you can edit video content by editing the text script. It has a deep technical insight because it has generative adversarial network for avatar creation and neural text-to-speech models that capture subtle vocal nuances. The avatars can be customized to represent demographics and promoting inclusions. Next AI app is Panoptos. Panoptos AI capabilities extend beyond simple captioning. It has OCR, that is optical character recognition, that detects and indexes text down or text shown in videos. That is just like in lecture slide, whiteboard or document, this is shown. Face and voice recognition. It has face and voice recognition that automatically creates speaker labeled transcripts. It has automated chapter creation based on topic detection algorithms. It has again viewer analytics that identify engagement drop off points. So universities report 30 to 50% reduction in student support requests when using Panoptos search capabilities, as student can independently find specific content moments. Now if you want to enhance graphics and visual content, that can be done by using cognitive science behind AI graphic tools. So there are different tools just like DAL E3 and Midjourney that is useful in educational context, that is integrated with ChatGPT. It excels concept visualization that creates accurate representation of abstract concept. Historic recreation. It generates historically accurate scenes for history education. Scientific illustration that creates cross sections, diagrams and processes. Cultural representation. It includes diverse, inclusive imaginary for global classrooms. Again, it has Midjourney, which specializes in artistic interpretation, that is valuable for art history, literature and cultural studies. Style emulation that creates images in specific artistic movements. Atmospheric creation, it creates or set mood for creating writing or historical study. So this is about, again we know about Canva. Canva's AI suite represents the most accessible entry point. It includes Magic Design. Magic Design analyzes your content and suggests multiple complete design approaches. It has Magic Write. That Magic Write generates not just text but structured educational content just like lesson plans, discussion questions or activities. Again, it has Magic Edit. That Magic Edit uses inpainting or outpainting to modify existing images contextually. It has Background Remover. That Background Remover employs semantic segmentation to distinguish foreground from background. So it has according to Visual Teaching Alliance, visuals improve learning by 400%. So Canvas templates are designed following Gestalt's principle of visual perception, ensuring effective information grouping and hierarchy. Next we are going to see the text and content creation, the world of AI writing tools. ChatGPT 4. ChatGPT or custom ChatGPT for education, that is Course Designer GPT. It creates syllabi following backward design principle. Discussion Facilitator GPT, it generates Socratic questioning sequences. Assessment Builder GPT, it creates Bloom's taxonomy aligned questions. Feedback Generator GPT, generally when we take any feedback, that feedback generator GPT assists. It provides formative assessment language. It has advanced features also, that is like file processing, web browsing, code interpreter, consistent character. So this is like that. Then again for academic writing, Cite.ai, that is the revolutionary citation practices. It creates smart citations, showed whether cited papers provide a supporting evidence or contrasting evidence. Citation statements extract how a paper was cited in the context. References check, verify citation accuracy. Visual tools create citation network and influence it. Again, it has elicit functions as a research assistant that creates semantic search, finds paper by meaning, not just by keywords. Automated extractions, pulls key findings, methodology and limitations. Comparison matrices, Matrices, it synthesizes findings across multiple studies, research gap identification. Based on systematic analysis of literature, research gaps are identified. So this is about that. Then we are going to see for exams, for test, for assessment, how that different apps help. Now GradeScope AI tool or app, it represents fundamental rethinking of grading. It has technical architecture, that is computer vision algorithm. It recognizes handwritten and typed responses. That is the new revolution. Clustering algorithm that groups similar answers for batch grading. Now when students are giving answers in a group, their answers are similar. Now this clustering algorithm assists to know those students who sit near to each other and write same answers. That is identified through clustering algorithms. It has rubric adaptation that learns from grader patterns to suggest scoring. Anomaly detection, it identifies unusual response patterns. Anomaly detection. Pedagogical benefits, it has dramatic time reduction, that is 50 to 90% faster grading reported by faculties. Consistency improvement, it eliminates intra and inter-rater reliability issues. Detailed analytics, it identifies concept student with struggles. So this is about that. Next is Alex. Alex uses knowledge space theory, Bayesian probabilities model, adaptive questioning, and this is about that. Next we are going to see about generation AI. ClassPoint AIs, it does content analysis, that is identifying key concepts, definition, relationship in slides. It has question type selection. It applies learning objective mapping to choose appropriate question format. It has distraction generator that creates plausible correct answers based on common misconceptions. This is about that. Now for teaching assistants, Khan Academy has created Khanmigo AI that simplifies Socratic question engine. It guides without giving answers. Step-by-step scaffolding breaks problem into manageable chunks. Misconception addressing, it detects and corrects common errors. Metacognitive prompting, it encourages reflection on learning strategies. So the approach is based on cognitive apprenticeship model. Khanmigo makes expert thinking processes visible while providing feeding support as students gain competence. Next is comprehensive toolkit called as Magic School AI. So this is 50 plus specialized tools: IEP generator, text leveler, behavior interpreter, suggester, parent communicator generator, and standard aligner. Again, Microsoft has Microsoft Immerse Reader that employs multiple AI technologies, that is natural language processing for grammar understanding, text to speech with natural sounding voices, optical character recognition for image to text conversion, syllabification algorithm for decoding supports, picture dictionary with conceptually relevant images. Then the next is Goblin tools for neurodivergent students. Technical approach, task decomposition algorithm it has, where assignments are divided into sequential steps. Social situation analysis, it interprets ambiguous social expectations. So this is about that. Again, there are different predictive analytics like Civitas learning predictive analytics, or it has LMS that is learning management system evolution with AI integration. Canva is the best example. Again, it has a roadmap. Then Blackboard's Ultras AI, this is again a LMS technique. Standard compliance like LTI, Caliper, XAFI. This is about all AI apps. Thank you for patiently listening to me. Thanks a lot.